Now she's not moving.
No. Oh, that's a beautiful
Oh,
picture, though.
Looks like a cigar. Oh, it's
There
a
it goes.
hand. Oh.
Oh, she's straightened out. She's not curled anymore. See?
Yeah, she did. She moved around.
Let me see if I can get a better measurement. Yeah. 13 weeks.
Oh.
So pretty.
You can see everything really.
You see the heart there, nice.
I want her to move.
She's calm now. There. She's got a hiccup.
Was that? I took a deep breath right now too.
That's a great picture.
I'm going to take another deep breath. Okay, what? Oh, she's moving her mouth.
She's drinking the fluid.
Is she?
Mm-hmm.
She. Oh, baby, sneezing. That is so adorable. Look at her mouth is moving. What fluids is she drinking? Like her own in there?
Yep.
Is that like the tongue?
Yep.
She's sucking, babe.
Take the camera. My arm's getting this.
We're done. You don't want to bore everyone.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't. Just
Well,
up
can I
to
get
you.
a picture?
Mm-hmm.
Get a still one. I didn't get one.
Here.